Hello, it looked nice and cosy there inside. I hope the weather's going to be playing fair this week because we do have a few problems with the forecast. Several different computer models going in slightly different directions, but beginning to give us the indications that we could be in for some nasty weather. We're watching the weather now because we could have some heavy snowfall, mainly I think over the hills, probably Wednesday into Thursday, most likely over the high ground of northern England and up into southern and central areas of Scotland there. Colder weather is battling its way in from the north. It'll finally make its way right down into the south by the end of the week. Not so today, a fairly mild day compared to recent days over England and Wales. Temperatures not too low in most of Scotland, but the cold weather already in and around Shetland, with the temperature around freezing at the moment, may make it to +3 this afternoon. That cold weather will hold in the far north till the middle of the week, and then I think it will start to make its way southwards. Some really cold weather over northern parts of Britain, even during the daytimes, Thursday and Friday, and by night towards the weekend we're going to have a really widespread and in places severe frost around, so getting colder the main theme. The battle lines are drawn along these weather fronts at the moment, the cold air being held to the north at bay along the line of that weather front, which will just be holding around the north coast of Scotland. But then this Atlantic weather system moves in, and this could well be the one that starts to bring us some rain, which will turn to sleet and to snow. The northern weather front really pushes that out of the way, though, later in the week as a big high pressure area builds from way up around the Iceland area, and that's why we'll have clearer skies towards the end of the week and hence that much frostier weather. Well, a fair amount of cloud around for today, that's why it's milder today. A little bit of rainy weather in the far north of Scotland with some sleet and snow for a time here overnight, but that snow lifting up towards the mountain tops, sleet in Shetland. Otherwise, fairly cloudy, spits and spots of drizzle. In central and eastern areas, one or two holes in the cloud could allow some patchy mist and fog and some patchy ground frost in just a few places tonight. As for Monday, a rather cloudy day in many areas, eastern parts of northern England and eastern Scotland perhaps at the brightest. By Tuesday, a cloud beginning to push its way in, bringing one or two spots of rain, little snow at first on the hills, but it's to Wednesday we have to look, where we could see over these areas here, particularly over the hills, more snow developing later in the day. But that'll be a weakening feature as it's swept away southwards for Thursday and Friday, and it really will be cold but bright with some snow showers near the east coast.